Lithium batteries have become the standard for high-drain and precision devices due to their superior energy density, voltage stability, and wide operating temperature ranges. For consumers, choosing the right lithium option, whether AA chemistries for cameras and flashlights.
List number 1. EnergyTech AA Lithium Battery. EnergyTech's AA Lithium offering targets high-drain devices like Blink outdoor cameras, smart locks, trail cameras, and flashlights. Each cell is a 1.5-volt lithium metal design with a stated capacity of 3,000 mAh, packaged as a 12-pack. The claim that these cells last 8 to 10 cycles longer than alkaline equivalents hinges on the higher energy density and steadier voltage plateau characteristic of lithium chemistry, especially under intermittent load. The 1.5-volt nominal voltage design aligns with devices calibrated for alkaline AAs, reducing voltage sag concerns during peak draw or cold weather operation. Performance-wise, the EnergyTech cells are positioned for extended field use and outdoor reliability. The -40 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius operating envelope is a clear advantage for wildlife cameras and expedition gear. However, real-world capacity under continuous high drain loads may approach the lower end of 3,000 mAh, and users should consider the weight savings versus alkaline baselines. Lithium is lighter, but slightly more expensive per unit of stored energy. The non-rechargeable nature means long-term cost will hinge on replacement frequency, but the 12-pack simplifies stocking for multi-device ecosystems.
List number 2. Duracell 2032 Lithium Battery. 4-count pack. Child safety features. Duracell's CR2032 lithium coin cells are designed for small, high-demand devices such as Apple AirTag, key fobs, thermometers, and other wearables. The pack includes a bitter taste coating on both sides to help discourage ingestion and a child-secure packaging scheme. The 3V CR2032 format is ubiquitous in consumer electronics, with an estimated capacity around 1,500 mAh in practical use. Duracell emphasizes 10-year storage stability, a hallmark of their long-term readiness strategy. In practice, the CR2032 provides reliable, low-drain power delivery with excellent shelf life. Use cases like AirTag tracking or TV remotes benefit from low self-discharge and dependable cold weather performance. The packaging design can be a mixed bag. The bitter coating is beneficial for safety, but can complicate handling during emergency replacements if gloves or moisture is involved. Overall, these coins are ideal for devices requiring a compact, consistent 3V supply and are especially attractive for households aiming to standardize with a single chemistry for small devices.
List number 3. Energizer Ultimate Lithium AAA L92 size batteries, 12-count. Energizer's Ultimate Lithium AAA batteries target devices with high drain or temperature extreme requirements, such as digital cameras, flash units, and advanced remote sensors. The L92 chemistry claims up to 9 times longer life in digital cameras versus Energizer Max, with a 15-year shelf life and an ability to function from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The 12-count bulk packaging is designed for households with multiple AAA-powered devices. In use, Ultimate Lithium AAA cells deliver stable voltage across a diverse workload spectrum, contributing to longer capture windows in cameras and more reliable remote functionality in cold or hot environments. Their reduced weight, about 1/3 lighter than alkaline, also improves ergonomics for handheld devices. However, real-world gains depend on device power profiles. Some devices may show less pronounced improvements if the current draw is extremely intermittent or if the device has aggressive low-power sleep states.
List number 4. Duracell CR123A 3V Lithium Battery. Duracell's CR123A packs are a higher drain 3V lithium option aimed at security devices, high-performance flashlights, and home automation sensors. The CR123A format supports heavy current draw and robust energy density, with Duracell promising a 10-year storage life. The product claims broad compatibility with a range of 3V devices and positions the battery as a core component for reliable security and safety setups.
Performance-wise, CR123A cells deliver strong peak currents, suitable for camera strobes or motion-activated devices, while maintaining stable voltage under load. The compact size and 1500 mAh typical capacity enable lengthy active periods between replacements in power-sensitive devices. In practice, users should consider device compatibility. Some gadgets may require specific voltage tolerances or have proprietary battery housing features. The 6-pack aligns with setups where multiple sensors or flash units are deployed across a property.
List number 5. 2-pack 12-volt 10Ah lithium-ion LiFo PO4 deep cycle battery. Neurmach offers a pair of LiFo PO4 lithium iron phosphate deep cycle batteries rated at 12 volts and 10Ah each, built for solar, wind microgrids, RVs, lighting, and other off-grid or backup power applications. With a built-in BMS, these cells provide overcharge, over-discharge, over-current, and short-circuit protection, and promise 2,000+ cycles with low self-discharge. The 2-cell configuration and 4-battery modular expandability allow series parallel configurations up to 4 units, enabling scalable energy storage for small systems. In practice, LiFo PO4 chemistry offers strong cycle life and thermal stability, making these batteries well-suited for unattended installations and backup power. The 5.94 by 2.56 by 3.91-inch form factor makes them relatively compact for the energy capacity, though weight, around 2.64 pounds per battery, adds consideration for mounting and enclosure sizing. The included caution about LiFo PO4 specific chargers highlights the need for compatible charging equipment and a basic understanding of series parallel safety and monitoring for sustained performance.